Okay, now we're going to introduce a new sound. And our new sound for today is the It's going to be the L plus a consonant sound. You're also going to do a multisensory activity, and you're going to do some writing in the sand, okay? So you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is L, and L. Now you try them.
Okay. Oop. Look. Loof. Loof. Look.
And this.
Lit.
All right, good job. Now we're going to do a multi-sensory activity, and you're going to do a sort. You're going to sort these words under the correct sound, okay? So take them out of the bag and sort them under the correct sound.
Golf. Slick. Okay. Kelp. LP. Elf. Welt. LT. Shelf. E. Elk. IL. Help. LP. Belt. LT. Well. LD. Self. LF. Gulp. LP. Milk. LK. Yelp. LP. Melt. LT. Held. LD. Hulk. Okay. Wealth. LT. And meld. LD.
All right, good job. Now I'm going to give you the sounds, and you're going to write them in your sand tray one time each. Okay? So let's start with this one. Lnd.
LD. Lnd.
All right. F.
LF. Lift.
Lt.
LT. Loot.
Lk.
LK. Look.
And loop.
LP. Loop.
Good job. Now we're going to do our word dictation. I'm going to give you 5 words, and I'm going to prompt you. I'm going to say pencil up, and then the word, and ready, pound. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so pencil up. Held, ready, pound.
Held. Held.
Now write it. Pencil up. Shelf, ready, pound.
Shelf. Shelf.
Pencil up. Milk, ready, pound.
Milk. Milk.
Pencil up. Help, ready, pound.
Help. Help.
Pencil up. Belt, ready, pound.
Belt. Belt.
Now I'm going to show you a clean copy, and I'd like you to read those words to me and make sure you have them written correctly.
Held. H-E-L. Shelf. S-H-E-L-F. Milk. M-I-L-K. Help. H-E-L-P. Belt. B-E-L-T.
All right, good job. We're going to move right to our sentence dictation. And I'm going to have you pound each word in the sentence and then write the sentence. Remember your capitalization and punctuation, okay?
Okay.
All right. Pencil up. Ready? I'm going to say the sentence twice to you.
Okay.
Put all the milk on the shelf. Put all the milk on the shelf. Ready, pound.
Put all the milk on the shelf.
Okay, next sentence. The strong belt held the big truck. The strong belt held the big truck.
The strong belt held the big truck. Oops. The strong belt.
Don't forget your punctuation. All right, now I'm going to give you the clean copy, and you read that sentence to me and make sure you have it copied correctly.
Put all the milk on the shelf. The strong belt held the big truck.
All right, good job. Okay, our last step is our syllabication. I've given you 3 words, and we're going to use these syllabication steps. And you're going to divide the word into syllables, letting me know which ones are vowels, which ones are consonants, and if it's open or closed syllable. Okay, I'll put this right next to you so you can look at it if you need to.
Okay.
All right, let's start with our first word. Find the vowels. Put a V under them. Draw your bridge. Put a C under your consonants. And you're going to divide the word right in between your consonants. Now look at your first syllable. Is that open or is that closed?
Closed.
So you put a CL. And the second syllable, open or closed?
Closed.
Good job. Now let's move on to the second one. Do the same thing. Find your vowels, put a V.
V. V.
Draw your bridge. Find your consonants.
C. C. C.
Now put a line right between the 2 consonants, first 2 consonants. Now, is that first syllable open or closed?
Closed.
And the second syllable, open or closed?
Closed.
Good job. Now move on to the third one and do those steps. See if you can do those steps.
V. Oh, that's me.
All the consonants get a C in between the vowels. Now draw a line between the first 2 consonants. There you go. Open or closed, first one.
Closed. And closed.
Good job.